everyone, Krista Moser here. Today I'm going to show you how to do a Buffalo Check Baby Quilt. This is a really simple design that just uses 3 colors. And if you're new to piecing with angles, this would be a pretty good first one. So what I have here are my 3 different colors. I have a white, a light gray, and kind of a dark gray. And I'm going to use the 60-degree diamond ruler, the mini version, so the 4.5-inch size. I like to cut with my strips kind of stacked up, so I'm going to stack my 3 colors here. If you're not comfortable with cutting through multiple layers, you can cut them one at a time. I've just got a single layer of each of the fabrics here, so okay. Now I'm going to trim this off. This is junk. I'm going to cut this edge and just kind of give it a little tug. And then remove the flat tip. And now cut on this side. Those are my junk pieces. And remove the flat tip there. There I've got diamonds and there's 2 flat tips. Those are really, really helpful for piecing later. We have another cut. And I'm going to keep doing this as I work my way across the strips. So you get stacks and stacks of those. I also need triangle cuts. So the triangles are only cut out of the white and the black. So I'll keep those together. The triangles are at the edges, the top and bottom edge. So here I've got the ruler turned, my 4.5-inch line across the bottom of the strip and the flat tip across the top. I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to use that edge to take the little tips off. Turn the ruler. 4.5-inch line, flat tip, and again. There's some triangles, just like this. Now these are going to go together in rows, and depending on the size you want to make, you're going to put quite a few together. So in this row we'll start with a white triangle and a light gray diamond, and then we'll go to a white. See how this is diagonal? That's the way it's going to be pieced. And then it would be back to a light gray, just like that. That will be a row continuing on. The next row, it would start with the dark gray triangle. And I'm going to just borrow these here. That's the next row, just like that. And because I talked about that flat tip, this is where it comes in handy. When you're piecing these together, you have a flat tip, flat tip, flat tip. Fold this down, and you match up your flat tip, and you have a match up point there, because it's flat. You do your 1/4-inch seam allowance, and it comes out to be perfect. I've actually got one already sewn together here, just like that. And I press my seams open. That makes these really, really flat for piecing your rows together later. So we've got the white, the light gray. This one would be next, and this one. Just like that. You do a row of these and a row of those. Not till you get your buffalo check. Isn't that easy? So what we're going to do is put all this into a PDF tutorial sheet. So you'll have your fabric requirements, the number of cuts you need for each one of these things, and then a final assembly diagram so you can see how the rows are laid out and how many rows you need. And then each one of these quilts came out to be about 37 by 39, so that's a good baby size, but hey, you can make it as big as you want. I hope you liked it. Give it a try.